What's up, guys? Welcome back to the DMV channel. I'm Jeff Dixon. Isaiah's got the camera, and today is an exciting day. We're starting the roll cage for our LS Miata. Let's get to work. Look at that, 2011. This is why I save stuff. This metal's 9 years old, and it looks like I didn't use very much of it. All right, the first thing we need to do is get our floor mounts in. We're gonna tack them in. They need to be 1/8 inch plate, and this is where our main hoop's gonna live. And what it'll attach to, that's the starting point. So let's get those made. All right, I've got it all tacked in. It looks pretty good. I've got to build the other side. It's not quite 6 by 6. It's a little shorter than 6, but I wanted to set it on this ledge. I thought it'd be a nice transition. So to get to the full 6, I'm going to add a ribbon or a piece of flat stock all the way around. That'll get it to our 6 by 6 requirements. But I'm going to go ahead and cut up and get the other side going. And while I do that, Isaiah has started on the front boxes. So let's get back to it.
I'm not gonna lie, oh no. Yeah, I tried this a million times, oh no. To get this off my mind, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I feel real low, oh no. So sweet. Let's just find a place under the stars. No memory. Oh no. Yeah, I tried this a million.
That is a very good spot weld. Knuckles.
To get this off my mind, yeah, yeah. Sometimes I feel real low, oh no. I'm not gonna lie, oh no. Yeah, I tried this a million times, oh no. To get this
Okay, Isaiah is getting the last of the floor plates welded in. He fabricated those, did a really good job, I think. Got the back ones in, the front ones are in. So I've been doing some math on the roll bar, the main hoop. That's our goal, to get the main hoop in. And I think I'm gonna do some more math and start putting it in. What do you think, Isaiah?
Gonna be a lot of work.
Yep. This is gonna tax our skills. I have no idea what I'm doing. I suck at bending conduit, so I can't imagine doing this. But I got a plan. It's gonna be just go with it. I know where the back of the bends are. I'm just gonna kind of try to wing it and see what we can hammer out. Sound good?
Yep.
Okay. Let's get to work. This will be number 3, our third attempt But after much debating, much figuring it out, oh, I just wish I had time to go in and Google this, but I don't. I just want to work. So I think we got it figured out. We laid out some marks, bent a piece, used paper to measure, yada, yada, yada. I think we got it. Let's go try it.
Put your hands together. Yeah. Put your hands together.
Wow, third time is a charm. Kind of suck. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're figuring it out. And it's in. And the good news is that we're trying to build this without a hardtop to get it to fit underneath a hardtop. I've read if it'll fit under a soft top, it'll fit under a hardtop. I know some of the roll cage dimensions that are on Google. This looks like we're just fitting underneath a hardtop. Ugh. But what I want to do is get this all gutted and welded solid. I want to make a soft top that we can put off and on. We can put on and off this thing and not be stuck to a hard top. Because if we go running around and cruising around, it'd be fun to have the top off. But anyway, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to start gutting this and we're going to start trying to get our front main bars. Alright, so we got the main hoop in and the windshield and roof bar. I don't know what it's called. It's a combo of the two. It's not a halo bar, but this thing about kicked my butt. I ended up using the truck to adjust some of the bends and a sledgehammer, and it went back in the bender countless times, went back in the car countless times to remeasure, bend, adjust, bend. I tried doing math and that sucked really bad. I am in way over my head. At one point Isaiah said, "Dad, this is just a lot of numbers." And freaking we gave up on the math. So I made some bends, I marked them, put them in there, and just measured between bends, and that's been going a lot better. Well, we'll see. The roll bar we're trying to build is pretty ambitious. So I'm basically copying a Blackbird's roll cage and in their time attack LS Miata. It's freaking awesome. It's a cool car. But anyway, I think we're going to be able to take one of our failed hoop attempts and make another one. I think it's going to go quite a bit easier as long as I can just replicate this one. It fits great. So I started my bends in the wrong direction on the new one, so we're starting over again. It's okay. It's part of it. It's part of it. It's just metal. right, guys, it's looking pretty good. We got the main hoop in. We got the combination roof windshield bars in. We've got the main halo bar up here in. It's all just kind of just floating here. If you touch it too hard, it'll fall apart. And then we started mocking up kind of our X brace for the top. It's turning out pretty good. Some of this was a killer. I mean, it was brutal, but if we can do it, you can do it. If you didn't hate the video and you want to follow along, like and subscribe. Leave us some feedback in the comments. Let us know what your thoughts are. We'll see you next weekend on the DMV channel. See ya.